They say the best things in life are free. Feeling beach sand on your toes, watching a spectacular sunset, a hike in the forest. From the clean air we breathe to the food we eat, we've always treated nature's resources as endless and free. Today, we are paying the price with climate change, pollution, and mass extinction. For the past 75 years, we have been measuring our success and well-being in the dollars and cents of the gross domestic product, GDP, while letting nature pick up the tab for our pollution, deforestation, and degradation. This year, we begin to change all that. The UN Statistical Commission is set to adopt a new framework to go beyond GDP and to finally make nature count. With this framework, every country on Earth will be able to measure their natural capital and understand the immense contributions of nature and the importance of protecting it. The framework will help policymakers realize that forests mean more to us when they are healthy, that it makes more sense to protect our planet for tomorrow than to cash out today, and that fresh air, clean water, and a livable climate are not infinite and need our care and protection. Watch closely as we begin to make nature count.